Question 8. Which of the following is not a net of a cube? This question is under the topic of shapes. This question requires imagination to visualize. If you really find it difficult to visualize, you may skip this question first and continue your paper. Don't be too hung up on one question, as you know that examinations are under time conditions. Here is a simplified method for those who find it difficult to visualize. We can use visual aid to guide us. I am sure that you have your eraser with you during examinations. Even though it's not in the shape of a net cube, we know that it also has 6 sides, which is sufficient to guide us. First, we number each square in our options like this. Now, we number the sides of an eraser according to the net cube given in the options. As such, we notice that option 2 is the answer, as the first and the 6th side overlaps, which does not form a net cube.